And that's eastbound. We got two BNSFs. I think we got two BNSFs and we got a 940C leader. And we're gonna have a meet too, I think. It's gonna meet with 135 and P60s here too. It's an ace, yes. $88.54. And we've seen 5227 on an intermodal. It's on 217. $87.63. Here comes 135. And 135's coming. Already see it coming down the track. And 135 is coming. 135's coming right now. Let's go, get back. Here we go, here it comes. Here we go. What's it have leading? The NS 135. Oh, yeah. It's coming. Here it comes. Yeah, here she is. Yeah. Oh, yes, 40 DC. Hi. Yeah. Oh, SOO-Line, oh my gosh. SOO-Line, oh man. I can't believe that. It's a SOO-Line. SD60M. Wow. Yeah. That is awesome there. My goodness. SOO-Line. Yeah, now that's, oh my god. Yes. Oh yeah.